Smart Tutorials. Chickpea-Chicken Salad. Boost the nutrients. Chickpeas add fiber and protein. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat, and fennel helps aid in digestion. Ingredients: chickpeas, cooked skinless chicken breast, red onion, fennel, celery, chopped parsley, lemon, oregano, olive oil, white wine vinegar, and salt and pepper. Step 1. Dice ingredients: chicken, celery, onion, and fennel. Finely chop your parsley. Step 2. Zest and juice your lemon. Step 3. Prepare the vinaigrette. Mix lemon juice, olive oil, oregano, vinegar, and season lightly with salt and pepper. Step 4. Assemble salad. Toss chicken, chickpeas, onion, celery, fennel, parsley, and lemon zest together. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Step 5. Add vinaigrette to salad mixture. Mix well. Step 6. Serve! You can add it to whole wheat pita bread, on top of toasted sourdough bread, or on a bed of baby spinach. Additional resources: Food Bank NYC, foodbanknyc.org, Plentiful App, plentifulapp.com. Text food to pantry 726879. Additional resources: NYC Well, nycwell.cityofnewyork.us, 1-888-692-9355, or text WELL, WELL, to 65173. Safe Horizon, safehorizon.org, 1-800-621-4673. Thank you for watching. Please visit smartuniversity.org for more information on our programs, to donate, or follow us on other social media platforms. Major support for Smart Tutorials provided by the New York Women's Foundation.